Welcome back to one more session. Today in this session, I'm going to explain about capacity to contract. Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 deals with competent to contract. Who can competent to a contract? It's one of the essential conditions to be a valid contract. According to the Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, the following categories of the persons are not competent, are not allowed to be a party to a contract. They are: one, a person who is a minor, a person who is unsound mind, a person who is disqualified by the law. As noted above, a minor is not competent to contract, unsound mind, and disqualified by law. According to that, in case of an agreement by a minor is void ab initio. Void ab initio means from starting onwards it is a void or can be voidable. The Indian Contract Act 1872 does not have any provision to answer the question of minor's agreement. In the absence of any statutory provision, there had been controversy among the high courts in this point. The controversy was set aside by the decision of the Privy Council in the case of Mohri Bibi versus Damodar Gause. Mohri Bibi versus Damodar Gause. In this case, Privy Council held that the agreement by a minor was void. If you go through the facts of the case, the plaintiff Damodar Gause was a minor, mortgaged his property in favor of the defendant. Brahmo Dutt, who was a money lender, to secure a loan. At the time of transaction, the attorney who acted on behalf of the money lender had the knowledge that the plaintiff was a minor. The minor brought an action against the money lender, stating that he was a minor when the mortgage was executed by him. Therefore, the mortgage was void and inoperative, and the same should be cancelled. By the time of appeal to the Privy Council, the defendant Brahmo Dutt died, and the appeal was prosecuted by his executors. The defendant contended that the minor had fraudulently misrepresented his age. The law of estoppel should be applied against him. The defendant's contentions were rejected by the court and held that minor's agreement was void. And one more case, which is respect to the unsound mind. Inder Singh versus Parmeshwar Dari Singh, 1957. In this case, it has been held that a person may, to all appearances, behave in a normal fashion, but at the same time he may be incapable of forming a judgment of his own as to whether the act he is about to do so is to his interest or not, and to the contract of such persons. Such persons the law gives protection, which means that if there is a party, one of the parties unsound mind to a contract, such contract is void. This is about a brief with respect to the competent to a contract or capacity to a contract. Thank you.